Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Vivo's Smart Multi-Windows in your phone. So let's see how can you use Vivo's Smart Window if you want to use something like this. So let's see how can you do this. For this you must have to enable some settings. So go for settings and here just scroll down, look for accessibility or shortcuts, select it and here select small window and you must have to enable this setting. After enabling the setting, the sidebar will appear in your phone. You just have to scroll it and then you can easily use multi-smart windows in your phone. You must have to open the app if you want to open smart window. You can open two or more apps in one time using these settings. So after that, your setting will be something like this. You can easily switch the multi windows, but if you won't get the sidebar here, you just have to go for recent apps, and here are your recent or background apps. You must have to select the settings or more icon in there, and here you'll get the option of small window. Just select it and then the app will be open in a small window. So that's how you can easily use smart window or multi windows in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.